Now it is our privilege to recognize Scott Meskin, NAMA's 2016 Operator of the Year. A 35-year industry veteran, Scott began his vending career at the age of 15. In 1989, he partnered with his father, Bill, to create Black Tie Services and quickly established his reputation as an innovator.
Scott is a man of integrity. What he says he does. He's all about making sure that this company looks good every day. Scott has embraced every little facet of technology and has perfected it to make sure that other operators can embrace the same technology.
Leveraging the power of vending management solutions, Scott has expanded from 950 machines in 2011 to nearly 7,000 today. A tireless advocate for the industry, he actively participates in grassroots efforts, educating elected officials, testifying before the Maryland legislature, and participating in NAMA's DC fly-ins.
Scott is my son. He has knowledge about how to do everything that is necessary in our business. He's very good with technology, and he's the one that advanced our company with whatever new technology was available.
Scott serves as president of the Maryland DC Vending Association and sits on the advisory boards of multiple organizations. He and his company support numerous charities in the Baltimore area.
Over the 40-plus years that I've been in the vending industry, I have seen many people enter the vending industry. You have succeeded beyond anybody's wildest expectations. Scott, I am proud to say that you're a member of an industry I've been involved with all these years, and I'm even more proud to call you a friend.
Please join us in a round of applause for NAMA's 2016 Operator of the Year, Scott Meskin.